Gardner's Road. A new album drops at the end of June, and this is the new one from it. It's Lord, Man of the Year. The Edge plays the next big hits. Now. Keep left to Gardner's Road, then turn left onto Hussey Road.
How do I film? How do I film this?
Ay, naman, kalalaki.
Ay, kalalaki nga.
What in the eel?
Ay, kahaba.
What in the eel?
Yes, eel.
Watch with our eyes, yeah?
It's Keisha's birthday.
Can we go? I want to go to see.
Tingnan nyo yung eel. Ang lalaki. Ang laki, oh. Ang laki nila. Malaki pala silang ganyan.
Jump on your toes. Oh, look, they want to get out really fast. Give it to him. Give it to him.
They swim. They go down.
Nasa baba.
Their head is not even wet.
Kasi kinukuha nila yung pagkain.
Yeah.
Hello!
I'm taller.
Oh, yan. Ang tangkad-tangkad na.
I'm taller.
12 na.
I want to see.
Ang laki nito! Come here. Look at this, oh. Laki-laki niya, oh.
Get out.
Oh, there's the deer. Oh, come here. Oh, yung pakainin mo na yung deer. Yun, oh, meron na sungay.
Why am I deer like that? Why is it?
Asa yung ano mo? Bigyan mo. Konti.
My deer ain't deering. Look at that. What? That doesn't
Ayun si
look
Daddy,
like
oh.
a deer.
Ayun, tignan mo, nagpapakain. Oh, yun, hingi ka.
Is it a deer? What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a fallow deer.
Follow deer.
I'm gonna change this.
Oh my.
There's a duck under you.
The duck is here. Ayan, humihingi. Nilabas pa yung ulo. Oh. Ayan. Yun na kayo siya.
Trying to take a picture of it. Hold on.
Shoot.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Ayo, I got a deer right there.
The duck.
Oh, napunta na yung duck sa loob.
There's a duck out there.
Oh, uy. Kenny.
Put them in your pocket. I'll get the trash.
Ah, dito ka muna. Oh, Ling ah. Ka.
Some are calling out. Mommy, this is one.
Yeah.
This is one. Lost swamp. Oh, wow. It's lost.
Ay! Ay! Naku! Ayan sila! Para
shoot
sila
them?
ano? Oh?
I don't want them.
Ayan
Can you-
sila.
Dad, shoot them, please.
Oh.
Dad.
Oh, dali. Upo ka dun.
It's gonna fly at me.
Ay! Hindi ba ito nangahabol? Ay! Natatakot si Keisha.
can't take a picture.
Ang ganda. Oo nga, maganda. Yun. Stand ka doon. Yes. Tingin ka.
Ayun o.
Those are the loud ones.
Nasaan? Oo nga. Ayun o.
Is that emu? I think. I don't think so. I want to read this. Oh, it's a sea.
Sebastol.
Sebastol. So the Sebastol Greece is right there.
Hindi, Sebastopol.
And then we're going to the water flow and then we're going to see the parrots.